This week on Conflict Zone, the former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan faces what he calls 180 false charges and fears he'll soon be back in jail. But the current government says it will hand over to a caretaker administration in August, paving the way for new elections. So will Khan be able to take part?
The question is, even if I'm in jail, which I think they will sooner or later put me in jail, will they allow the party to contest election? That's the big question.
Khan insists that Pakistan's powerful and unaccountable army is out to get him and is appealing to the world to save the country's democracy. But what kind of democratic record does he have? He was roundly criticised by human rights groups when he was in office. How does he respond now to their charges? And why is he being so soft on the Taliban? Imran Khan, welcome to Conflict Zone.
My pleasure.